Hello, everyone. Uh, my name is Dr. Kushagra Mahensaria. I am a consultant cardiologist. I'm practicing at Rinchi Trust Hospital, Ranchi. I am very happy to be here today with you on this occasion of World Heart Day to share my 2 cents on how to live a healthy life, how to have a healthy heart, and how to, and I'll try and share tips on how to change your lifestyle, change your behavior so that you be free from heart diseases. So, as we all know, 29th September is celebrated world over as World Heart Day, and it is a special day for all of us, all cardiologists, especially. It is a day that is very close to my heart. Uh, I feel that World Heart Day should be celebrated by everybody because, uh, as you know, दिल की बात है और दिल जब तक जवां है, दिल जब तक healthy है, तब तक life is good. Um, Heart diseases are important because all of us, no matter where we work, no matter which age group we fall into, no matter whichever walk of life we come from, we all know somebody और ऐसे कुछ लोग हम में खुद भी हैं जिनको खुद किसी न किसी तरह की हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम हुई है और we know people who are suffering from heart disease. All of us know somebody like that. Uh, so if you look at it from the reverse perspective, heart diseases are very common. India is moving from a country where आज से 10-20 साल पहले जब communicable diseases were at their peak, infectious diseases were at their peak, उसके कारण जाने ज़्यादा जाती थी. We are moving from that period into a period where non-communicable diseases जैसे कि heart diseases are rising and becoming the number one worldwide and in our country also. The numbers are there to prove heart diseases and associated illnesses are the leading cause of death in India, and by in the next 20-30 years they are going to overtake. India is supposed to overtake the world in terms of heart diseases. हार्ट के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, इट इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग ऑर्गन. 24/7 नॉन स्टॉप काम करता है. इवन व्हेन वी आर स्लीप, it beats around 1 lakh times a day. It pumps around 7,500 liters of blood in a period of 24 hours. It is a very hard working organ, and that is why it is very necessary to respect it. It is very necessary to take care of it. It is very necessary to keep it healthy, uh, to be able to lead a disease free life. जब हम हार्ट डिजीजेस की बात करते हैं, तो अक्सर ये सवाल आता है कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसके कारण हार्ट डिजीजेस बढ़ती हैं. अभी रिसेंटली बहुत सारे यंग लोग हैं, बहुत सारे फिट एंड यंग लोग हैं जिनमें हार्ट डिजीजेस देखने को मिली हैं. A famous actor, I will not name the actor, but a famous actor most recently passed away, unfortunately, due to a heart attack. Uh, we've seen cricketers who've had heart attacks, who've had blockages in their arteries. We've heard about footballers, supposedly very fit people, who've died suddenly on the field. Uh, तो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हार्ट डिजीजेस को बढ़ाती हैं, एंड व्हाई वी एज अ कंट्री आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दैट. Well, to make it very short, there are certain things, there are certain risk factors that are non-modifiable, जो हम change नहीं कर सकते हैं. For example, our ethnicity. We as Indians, we as Asians are at increased risk of heart diseases. It is अब डेटा आया है कि हिंदुस्तानियों में स्पेशली यंग हिंदुस्तानियों में हार्ट डिजीजेस पहले हो रही हैं कंपेयर टू आवर कॉकेशियन काउंटर पार्ट्स. वी आर डेवलपिंग हार्ट डिजीजेस अराउंड 8 to 10 years earlier than them. So genetically, ethnically speaking, we are at an increased risk. Genetics again plays an important role. अगर हमारी फैमिली हिस्ट्री है हार्ट डिजीज की, देन हमारा रिस्क बाय डिफॉल्ट बढ़ा हुआ रहता है. Gender also plays an important role. Usually men are at a higher risk than women. Age plays, जैसे मैंने कहा, age plays an important role. We are getting heart diseases at a much younger age because see, I think as a community, as a society, we are moving more towards a Western lifestyle. There is a lot of unhealthy behavior that has creeped up into our daily lives, uh, which is exposing us to be more vulnerable to heart diseases than other people. But then, having said that, there is good news. There are a lot of risk factors that we can change. In fact, most of the risk factors जो कि हार्ट पेशेंट्स में देखने को मिलते हैं वो मॉडिफाइबल रिस्क फैक्टर्स है. मॉडिफाइबल रिस्क फैक्टर्स में आती है ओबेसिटी, मोटापा, ब्लड प्रेशर, diabetes, high cholesterol levels, smoking and drinking, and of course mental stress, psychosocial social stress. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आसानी से बदली जा सकती हैं और अपने रिस्क को हम बहुत आसानी से कम कर सकते हैं. uh, कम करने कम करने का बहुत सीधा सा तरीका है. There are just 8 things that we need to focus on, which are basically very small steps to organize your life, to change your lifestyle, and become healthy. And these changes in lifestyle focus on the modifiable risk factors. तो क्या क्या है ये 8 चीज़ें? अगर हम शुरू करें तो नंबर 1 इज टू गेट फिजिकली एक्टिव. अगर हम एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हैं तो हमें एक्सरसाइज शुरू करनी चाहिए. एटलीस्ट 30 to 45 minutes of exercise is recommended, moderate intensity. Walking, या मैं बेहतर कहूँ brisk walking is a very good exercise to decrease your cardiac risk. Number 2, control your cholesterol levels. And this is a very important fact. Know your numbers, know your lipid numbers, know your sugar numbers, know your blood pressure numbers. अगर आपको ब्लड प्रेशर है तो दवाई टाइम पे लीजिए, अगर शुगर है तो दवाई टाइम पे लीजिए, एक्सरसाइज करिए, अपने नंबर्स को कंट्रोल में रखिए. गेट दैट ब्लड टेस्ट एटलीस्ट वंस अ ईयर, प्रेफरेबली ट्वाइस अ ईयर, so that you know where you stand, and change your medications appropriately. Be in frequent contact with your doctors. Number 4, eat better. Trans fat and saturated fat को ना कहें. Remove them from your diet. Focus on a balanced diet. Focus more on fruits. Focus more on vegetables. Focus more on a healthy diet. Lose weight. Manage, जैसा मैंने कहा, manage blood pressure, blood sugar, and last but not the least, manage your stress levels. One of the major reasons for heart attacks and cardiac diseases being so prominent in young people now is our stressful lifestyles. And I cannot stress this enough. It is a major risk factor that goes unnoticed very often. तो अगर स्ट्रेस है, काम का स्ट्रेस है, फैमिली स्ट्रेस है, कोई भी किसी भी तरह का स्ट्रेस है, उसको मैनेज करें. There are plenty of ways we can do that. Take frequent vacations. Meditation is a very good stress buster. Family time, give appropriate time to family. Whatever works for you, but manage your stress levels. ऐसी मिथ है कि हार्ट डिजीज इज अ डिजीज ऑफ द एल्डरली, बट अब डेटा, अब ऐसा एविडेंस बहुत क्लियर है कि जो अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस होती है, विच इज a process by which cholesterol and calcium gets deposited in our arteries. तो this process starts as early as 2 years old. तो अपने बच्चों का भी ध्यान रखें. Teach them how to lead a healthy lifestyle, because बच्चे वही सीखेंगे जो वो देखेंगे. And by the time we wait for them to be older, or it is already too late. इस वर्ल्ड हार्ट डे पे देयर इज वन अदर थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट, विच इज हार्ट डिजीज एंड कोविड. हमने बहुत सारी बातें सुनी हैं कि पोस्ट कोविड दिल की बीमारियां, लोगों को दिल की बीमारी हो रही है, कार्डियक कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो रहे हैं, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. वी हैव सीन एन इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ कार्डियक कॉम्प्लिकेशंस पोस्ट कोविड. ऐसे लोग जिनको कोविड इन्फेक्शन हो रखा है, who are at an older age, who've had a moderate to severe disease, who've spent a prolonged time in the hospital. These are the people who are at increased risk of cardiac disease, irrespective of previous health status, irrespective of other diseases. तो इस बात का हमें ध्यान रखना है. Post COVID cardiac risk can persist for up to 6 months or more. तो इस बात का स्पेशली ध्यान रखना है उन लोगों को जिनको कोविड हो रखा हो. We are living, unfortunately, we are living in a brave new world. COVID is part of our day-to-day living now, and it is here to stay. So we have to take care of our heart even more in these times. Special mention to patients who've recovered post-COVID. If you are still persisting, if you are still having symptoms, persisting symptoms that are somehow not related to COVID after your recovery, please consult a cardiologist. Your evaluation with the cardiologist may involve a certain number of tests. You may also be required to go through what we call a stress test, some form of a stress test, चाहे वो treadmill test हो, चाहे वो stress echo हो. Certain blood tests may be required, but do not ignore your symptoms. अगर आप COVID recover कर चुके हैं and you are still having some symptoms, do not ignore them. Consult your doctor. Last but not the least, I would like to stress on the fact that heart diseases are rising in India, and it is our collective responsibility as a nation to put a stop to this. Otherwise, this is going to be our next epidemic. Even during the peak of COVID, the number of people dying of cardiac diseases was still higher than by COVID. So, we are facing a very, very grave situation. There are certain things that we can do. Take a CPR class, educate others. If you've learned something from online forums like this, please share it with your family. Please share it with your friends. The only way to overcome this epidemic of cardiac diseases is collectively. Thank you.